Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. We all experience anxiety from time to time. Sometimes anxiety is a short-term annoyance, and it can also be a chronic disease. Today, I will show you some magic points in our body that help ease tension, reduce anxiety, and calm the nerves. Now, let's get started. When you feel stressed, or when you can feel the tension being built up in the body, you know you are become anxious. Right away, take your fingers, one or two, to the space between the center of your eyebrows, the Yin Tang Point. It's commonly referred as the third eye in yoga. In Chinese medicine, it is Yin Tang, the hall of impression. Massage this point to help us to open into our intuition. It helps relieve anxiety, irritability, and headaches and insomnia. Massage the point in a circular motion for a couple of minutes. Try to breathe slow and deep through the nose and release the breath out through your mouth with a slight sigh. Inhale through the nose. Slowly sigh it out. You can gently massage this point sitting upright or laying down. It is very comfortable to stimulate the points on our face or head, laying flat on your back or on your side. And move the fingers along the center of the forehead for opening the heavenly gate, an ancient technique for lowering anxiety, calming the central nervous system. Massage from the third eye point in a circular motion upward into the hairline, then repeat. As soon as you start, you will get a sense of ease in your heart, because your fingers are stimulating the superficial nerve endings. This improves the blood circulation. It calms the nervous system. You might rest your hands down briefly before you continue. Move to the Byway point that is on the crown of the head. If you draw a straight line up from your nose, then a line from the tip of your ears, those two lines will meet at the Byway point. To be precise, it is 5 cun from your hairline. In the proportional measurement used in traditional Chinese medicine, it's the width of 7 of your fingers. Massage the Byway help calm spirit, improve memory, relieve headaches and migraine. All these points we worked on are the very powerful points along the governing channel of the body, the Du channel. It travels along the spine and go up to the head and the face. There is a clear relationship between the spine and our nervous system. I've done videos on the benefit of the Byway point and the technique for opening the heavenly gate. I will attach the links in the description of this video. You might check it out later. By now, you have worked on the point on the forehead and on the crown of the head for a few minutes. And now let's move on to our hands. The Shenmen point, the spirit gate. It is at the wrist crease on the pinky side, where the ulnar bone and the base of the hand meet. As the name implies, the spirit gate is the pathway to settle the mind. Start with the left hand. As in Chinese medicine, we always start with the left side first. You might use your thumbs to massage in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes. You might also use a Q-tip or something that has a round tip. I have this, here's a Q-tip. You might apply acupressure, maybe place your hands on the table, or you might use something like this. This is a small makeup brush with a round tip. You press into this point to stimulate the point. And change up between massage and apply acupressure. Shenmen is a very popular acupuncture point. It helps anxiety-induced addictions and obsessive-compulsive disorder. Manic depression helped relieve pain and inflammation. It is also a great point to work with if you experience heart palpitations or suffer insomnia. Then change sides to the right wrist. Next is the Taiyuan point, the great abyss. It's on the other side of the wrist, near the base of the thumb, looking for a slight indentation. Massage the Taiyuan helps relieve some physical anxiety symptoms, as Taiyuan regulates and tonify the yin, tonify the qi in the lungs. It promotes circulation of blood. Massage for a minute or so and change sides. It clears lung and the liver heat. So it helps to reduce tightness or pain in the chest caused by anxiety. The last but not the least, the Hegu point, the United Valley joint. Many people know about this point. It's on the second metacarpal bone and between the web between the thumb and the index finger. Use your thumb to massage the Hegu. Hegu helps anxiety disorder, especially tension headaches. Hegu is a master point for pain relief and has many applications. Change sides. The Hegu is a very powerful energy moving point, so it should be very careful when used on women who are pregnant. When we massage these points, apply firm circular motion, massage from 1 minute up to 5 minutes on both sides. Friends, after working with these points, I hope you feel more calm and relaxed. These points are in our body. They're always there. They cost nothing, and there are no side effects. Work with them as often as you can remember. The best medicine is in our body. Let's tap into it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. And share this video with a friend or family member. Sharing is caring. As always, take good care of yourself. I will see you next time.